Hare Krishna, Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Bol. So, resuming from Sri Harinama Vyakaranam, the Sandhi Prakaranam. Sandhi. Okay, so the next sutra is AI. So, if we have A Rama followed by any Sarveshwara, then A becomes I, and the Sarveshwara remains as it is. For example, Krishna Utkarshan, right? Krishna Utkarshan. So here we have this A Rama followed by a Sarveshwara. So this Sarveshwara remains as it is. This A Rama turns into I. So it becomes Krishna Utkarsha. Krishna Utkarsha. Or Te Ime from Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Prabhu. Shruti Prabhu.
So that Sarveshwara remains as it is, right? After the Sandhi goes.
Yeah.
After the cause of Sandhi. Okay.
Then Te Ime. So A becomes I. So it becomes this. So there are two parts in this sutra. One is for A, that is A becomes I when Sarveshwara follows. And then the second part of the sutra says I. So if we have I following, then I becomes I. For example, Gopyai Asanam. Gopyai Asanam. So here we have I followed by a Sarveshwara. So this I becomes I. So we get Gopya Asanam. This. Okay, I becomes I. Clear? So A becomes I when Sarveshwara follows. I becomes I when Sarveshwara.
Prabhu,
Yeah.
Prabhu, I have a doubt.
Mhm.
So, yeah, so you gave us an example. So how will that be pronounced, Prabhu? The outcome, how will that be pronounced?
Yeah, that will be pronounced like together. Taime. Taime.
No. For the 54B, Gopya
Yeah, so
Yukta
that
Asana.
it's like you pronounce it like this. Gopya Yasanam. As if of one word. Gopya Yasanam.
Okay.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Then there is this next sutra, 55th. O Ab, Au Ab. So this sutra says that if we have so two parts in the sutras again. If we have O Rama plus any Sarveshwara following, so O becomes Av. For example, Vishnu, Iha. So here we have this O Rama and a Sarveshwara E Rama following. So this O becomes Av, so we get Vishnu Iha. Vishnu Iha. Yeah, Vishnu. And then the second part of the sutra says if we have O plus any Sarveshwara following, so we get O becomes Av and Sarveshwara remains as it is. So for example, Vishnu plus Atra. So Au and Sarveshwara following. So this Au becomes Av. So we get Krishna Atra. Krishna Atra. Okay. Clear?
Prabhuji, one thing I'm noticing is that ya and va, they are very, very common in sandhis. Is it correct? Like before and after, they are very common.
I never thought in that direction.
Yeah, I notice it's very common.
Can say like Idvameva Sarveshware, E becomes Ya, Udvamva U becomes Va, and then here. Yeah, we can say in a sense.
Mhm.
Then Ayobhyam, Sutra 56. Ayobhyam asya haro Vishnu padante. Arama is deleted when it comes after an A or O that is at the end of a Vishnu pada. First of all, we'll understand what is a Vishnu pada. What is a Vishnu pada? So Vishnu pada means, so in Sanskrit, what happens is, so Vishnupada is a final declined word or form of a word rather. What is a final declined? So Prakriti. First of all, any word is originally a Prakriti. Prakriti means the root word, right? And then we add particular suffixes to them, and then we get the final word. Yeah. For example, let's say Krishna, and then let's take one particular pratyay suffix, and then we get Krishna by some rules that we'll see. So this Krishna is the Vishnu Pada, okay? Vishnu Pada. This is the Vishnu Pada. So now this Sutra 56.
Prabhuji, one doubt. Is this pratyaya a vibhakti?
Yeah, Pratyaya Vibhakti same.
Okay. There's one sutra, right? Su au jas, it comes in vibhakti, right?
Yeah, it comes in the next chapter.
Okay,
The
okay.
second chapter. So, okay, so that was the Vishnu Pada, a final declined word. Now this sutra says that if we have such Vishnu Pada, which ends with either A Rama or O Rama, okay, and then a Rama follows, like in the beginning of the next word, then in that case, so this 56 sutra is an exception to Sutra 54 and 55, because generally what happened was, if A Rama was followed by any Sarveshwara, then A became A Y, and O Rama, if O Rama followed by any Sarveshwara, then O became Av. But here, if we have a Vishnupada ending with either A or O Rama, and A Rama following, then this A Rama gets deleted and gets deleted, plus we put an apostrophe mark, this one, yeah, in place of that deleted A Rama. For example, Krishna plus Atra. So this Krishna word is ending with A Rama, and at the beginning of the second word, the following is A Rama. So this A Rama gets deleted, and we put an apostrophe in place of that. So we get this Krishna, or it could be, this is very common sense. Vishnatra, so O Rama ending with O Rama, and A Rama following, so O gets deleted. So we get Vishnu. Okay.
Prabhuji, does this happen all the time or only to some of them, this 56 Sutra?
If the requirement is being fulfilled, then all the times.
Okay.
Then so this sutra overrides the changes of A to I and O to Av, which would have been obtained by AI and O Av respectively. In Devanagari, this apostrophe is written as Avagraha, this sign, right? Like this, Hare. Then Ayadinam Yavayor Va. The ya and va of I, Av, and Av. Now these four were the replacements in Sutra 54 and 55, right? I, O, Av, and O, Av. We had four replacements. A became I became I, O became Av, and O became Av, right? When any Sarveshwara is following. So all these, so the ya and va of these four are optionally deleted when they are at the end of a Vishnupada. So what's happening now is coming back here. Like here we did A became I. Now optionally, this is one form, this, and optionally we will delete this year. So it will become Krishna Utkarsha. Like this. So two forms. One is with year and one is without year. Someone can say, okay, first before that, this also year Rama gets deleted by this rule, current rule, and becomes Taime. This is in Gita, right? Taime Vastitayate. Prana Saktavadana. Okay. Then same here. Year Rama gets deleted. We get Gopya Asana. Here even Vishnu Viha Varama gets deleted optionally. So we get Krishna Iha. Here Krishna Vatra Varama gets deleted. So we get Krishna Atra. Now someone can say, now like here, Krishna Utkarsha. So and then U following. So why not, why can't, so we should apply that sutra. Udvai O, and it should become A and U come together and become O. Is that right? No, because the sutra ahead says that Tesham na sandhi nityam. Words that have lost their ya or va do not undergo further sandhi. So once ya and va ramas have been deleted, then we can't do any more sandhi there, because then that will be super confusing. So it remains as it is, separate Krishna and Utkarsha. Okay. Any doubt in this one?
It's all clear, Prabhuji.
Then hmm, Yeah, this one, please. This we did today only. O of and so on.
Second one, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Everyone can like look. Suno plus agacha. So what happens here is O of. O becomes of, and once V is deleted. So the second one is the right one. This one.
Second one.
Third
No.
one, Prabhuji.
It's
Third
the
one.
third one, right? Third one is the right. Then
Third one.
third one again. Then
Here also third one, Prabhuji.
third one again.
First one, Prabhuji.
The first one. I hope everyone is following. Then
Second one, Prabhuji.
the second one. Sadha Upavisha and Sadha Upavisha.
First one, Prabhuji.
The first one. Kasma or Kasma.
Second one, Prabhuji.
Yeah,
No.
the second one.
Oh, yeah. Second one, Prabhuji.
Yeah, the second one.
First one, Prabhuji.
Yeah, the first one. Okay, like this is splitting up now. Same sentence.
Third one, Prabhuji.
Third one. This is interesting.
First one.
No,
Second one, Prabhuji.
yeah, this is the second one because A becomes I, and then optionally ear Rama gets deleted, so we get Patra option. Second one.
First one, Prabhuji.
No,
Oh, no.
Third one.
yeah, the third one. Right.
Third one. Third.
O of and the word Rama gets.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
The fourth one.
First one, Prabhuji.
Right. The first one. Anyasmai Arpaya.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Fourth one.
The fourth. Then
First one.
yeah. First
First one.
Yeah, first one.
Yeah.
That previous word, it used to come in Bhagavatam, I remember.
Mm-hmm.
Dvavimo Purusha. That's Loka.
Yeah. Right.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Okay. The fourth one. Then
Is it the
First one?
second one? Second
could
one?
it could be or could be not. Which one?
Is it the second one?
Yes. And then yeah, this one. Let's do it. Yeah.
First one, Prabhuji.
The first one. This
First
also we did today. This now. This
Yes.
Eobhyamasya Haroshnapat. Everyone can be active.
Second one?
Third one, Prabhuji.
It's the third one.
Yes.
Second one is Sa, right?
Oh.
Then
Second one?
yeah, the second one.
Third one?
Third one, Prabhuji.
Third one.
The third one.
Fourth one?
Fourth one?
Yeah.
Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
No.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Yeah. First one?
First one.
One. First one.
First one.
The first one.
Fourth one?
Fourth one. Fourth one.
Yeah, the fourth one.
Third one?
Third one?
The third one.
Third one.
Second one,
Second
Prabhuji.
one. Second one.
The second one. Then now splitting up.
Second.
First one, Prabhuji.
First one.
The first one.
Third one.
No.
Fourth
No,
one,
the
Prabhuji.
second one. Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one.
Third one.
Third one. Right.
Fourth one.
One.
Second one, Prabhuji.
Second one.
Right.
One.
Third one.
Third one,
Third one.
Prabhuji.
First one.
No.
No. Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Fourth one.
Third one.
Third
Third
one.
one.
Yeah. The third one.
Fourth one, Prabhuji.
Fourth one.
First one, Prabhuji.
First one.
Second one.
Second one.
So yeah, that's done. Let's complete Sarveshwara Sandhi, then we'll do more exercises. If not, this was like this was basic level. Then we also have intermediate and advanced. So, nice stuff for practice. Sutra 59 says, O Ramantanam, Anantanam, Chabhyayanam Sarveshware. which means avyayas, indeclinable words that end in orama or that are anantas do not undergo sandhi when a sarveshwar follows. What is ananta? A, I, U, ananta. Those 6 letters were called anantas together, right?
A, I, U.
Right. So now, what is avyaya? An avyaya is a word which remains as it is all the times. It doesn't change its form. For example, uh, for example, you will never see words like cha written as like cha or chum, something like that. No. Have you seen something like this ever? No.
No.
You will always see cha as cha. Similarly, tatha, words like api, iti, and so on. They all remain as they are always. So these are avyayas. Na vyaya iti avyaya. Vyaya means change. Vyaya. So vyaya means something which is liable to change or decay. Basically change. So there is no change in such words. So the sutra says, Sutra 59. So there are couple of words which are avyayas ending with orama. And then there are the anantas, avyayas. So they do not undergo any sandhi when a sarveshvara follows. So for example, if you see here the yellow highlighted ones, atho, aho, aho, udaho, o, no, ho, hung ho, and ho. Krishna Govinda. So all these words ending with orama, they are avyayas. Okay, and then the kevala anantas. Kevala anantas means the anantas which are avyayas, headed by arama, are used in the sense of addressing and so forth. The avyaya is used in the sense of addressing, sambodhana. A in the sense of remembrance, smarana. E, vamana in the sense of bhartsana, reproach, like scolding someone. Trivikrama in the sense of filling up a sentence, vakpurana. Vamana U in the sense of humble entreaty, amantrana, like to invite someone. And Trivikrama U in the sense of pratisheda. So these are the 6 anantas, right? When they are used as avyayas, so each of them, they carry a particular meaning. They convey a particular meaning. The point here is that if either we have avyaya words ending with orama, the list which we studied, and or if either we have these anantas which are avyayas, then there will be no sandhi if any sarveshwara follows. So this is basically a prohibition sutra, this one. So for example, if you see here, like no Upendraha. So ideally, O of sutra would have been applied. O would have become of because the Sarveshwara is following, right? But this sutra is prohibiting it, so it remains no and Upendra. Similarly, no Achyuta remains no Achyuta. No Sandhisnam. And similarly here, these are the Ananta Avyayas, A, E, U, and U. So a Sarveshwara is following after each of them, but there is no Sandhi happening here because of this current rule which is prohibiting it, right? Ananta, A, Evam, Achyuta Leela, and so on. Clear? The meaning you can read here, like O Ananta is O Ananta, like addressing. Then the Trivikrama A was used in the sense of Smarana, remembrance. Achyuta's pastime is in this way, kind of a sort of remembrance and like that. Okay. Then Idu detam dvivachanasya manivadi varjam. So this sutra says, this is the last sutra in this section, Sarveshwara Sandhi. And Trivikrama U or A that belongs to Dvivachana does not undergo Sandhi when a Sarveshwara follows. So basically Sutra 60th says that if we have a word ending with Vamana E or either Trivikrama U or A Rama, and if this word is in Dvivachana, dual case, and any Sarveshwara following, then there will be no Sandhi there. For example, Hari and Patra. Now this Hari is a word ending with Trivikrama E and it's in dual case, right? So there will be no Sandhi and it will remain as it is. Now your question will be, how will we know whether a word is in Dvivachana or not, right? That will, as we move ahead and do the second chapter, which is the next chapter, the nouns, so there will come to know which word is in which Vachana and so on, right? So yeah, no worry about that. So like that, Hari, Yatra and so on. So this was the last sutra for this one. And here we complete the first section of Sandhi, which is Sarveshwara Sandhi. So 3 kinds of Sandhis are there. Hope I have told this, but I'll repeat it. Sarveshwara Sandhi, Vishnu Jana Sandhi, and then the Vishnu Sarga Sandhi. So we have completed Sarveshwara Sandhi. In the next class, we'll begin the Vishnu Jana Sandhi. Any question here? Any one or two? Then
Everything is clear, Prabhuji, for me.
So this sheet, Google Doc, is already shared with all of you for the notes and all, and PDF is there. So yeah, do at the end of this PDF there is like an exercise for practicing. So you can go and practice that. Yeah, this one. This is page 783, 784, and 785. From 783 onwards until 786.